Alright, so it's like 5 o'clock. We got Bryson. Nathan's at what?
I'm locking the door.
Alright. Nathan, we're waiting on Caleb. And we walk out, and this is the shit that we're dealing with in South Carolina about what we're driving to the duck hole. I mean, this is ridiculous. I mean, this is if you see this going down the road, I mean, there's no ducks getting killed at all. I mean, what is this gonna do when my waders are touching the dirt? I mean, this is no ducks. I mean, this is why do we do this?
Where you at though?
Chicago, Sarah.
Hopefully we kill some birds. We're going to a different spot this morning. Hopefully things go good. See you when you're there. All right, Bryce.
Yeah, man.
We're on the way to the hole. Caleb. Bryson's getting the corn out of his waders from last time he was feeding the deer. So we got that all situated, and now we got to go through Antarctica to get to the hole. Why?
I am on a remote island on the edge of the Gulf of Alaska at the very top of the Pacific Ocean.
Guys are flooring inside. I don't know. We'll just see whenever maybe ducks start flying. Probably not, but just got to the hole. I don't know what Nathan got going on here.
My ears blasted out.
What we're working with.
Remember that saw that you had?
Probably gonna be flying from behind us and all this back here, but hopefully we see something. Kill something. All right, bro. Well, we're already set up on the way back to the duck hole. Just dropped the craziest parkour turd drop of 2025.
Holy shit!
On the way back to the hole, we're getting a little bit of rain, which might be good. Ain't supposed to last too long. And hopefully we see something. I think shooting time's in 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So.
We all stand with that.
Dude.
This beaver dam's going. I might just stay low.
I'm not standing up.
I can shoot like this.
Nathan is too, because there ain't no way. Because if he shoots, I'm falling backwards.
Nigga, I got a bad feeling about shooting, sitting down with these 3.5. It's about knocked me over yesterday standing up. Bryson, what's the time?
It's time to shoot.
Yeah, that's all I know.
If we see birds, we shoot.
Mm-hmm.
I thought that was always the plan when we go hunt.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
The deal is, if it flies, it dies. Hey, nigga, pop some now.
Shut the fuck up.
Alright.
That's too early.
Are you live?
Hell yeah. We're in them POV videos.
You need to get you one of them little butterfly knives.
Yeah.
If they land in front of us and Nathan kills a bird, there's not going to be a bird to go get it.
She's 3.5 and marking this with an extra full choke. I've literally got an extra full.
My choke seized into my gun whenever we got from North Carolina.
You ain't got the tool?
I gotta get a pair of channel locks to grab it out.
Ooh. Hey, he's going to pull that down.
Alright, shh, don't move, don't move, don't move.
Alright.
We talking about the right?
Yep.
Just
yeah.
call, just call.
Keep going. Yep, they're flying from lines.
Holy shit, son.
Right time I turned around, that bitch was right there.
I was sitting there looking straight.
Watch them fly up. I started getting the shakes.
What'd y'all say, man?
A Tweety bird just flew like 2 feet over the top of our head. And
Not even.
yeah, not even that.
Probably the size of my dick. No, it wasn't that. It wasn't that close.
At least the mosquitoes ain't carrying us off. Could've sworn I just heard a mallard.
Hell no. Mallard in South Carolina?
They're here. They've been in the
Hey, you can't say the N word, bro. I'm live streaming.
Well, brother, they've been over there in that hole before. Why are you hitting me? He gets in front of the camera, start reacting like a different person.
What?
You got more views on my last video. You watching that?
How you doing down there, Bryson?
Legs falling shit. Just take your pick.
I'm about to start
Hey, right
blasting.
there above us, above us, above us.
Don't move,
Talk,
don't
Joe.
move,
Talk.
don't move, don't move. Oh, come on.
Coming or down.
They're going down across the street. I'm about to turn around, bro. If they're flying like that,
Them bitches was way too high.
Fuck that. I got
that's what I'm
extra for you.
saying. I was about to say, if they're flying like that, we might as well shoot.
Yeah, we're not gonna lose nothing by shooting at them.
That's what I'm saying. They're not gonna look to land here if they flying like that.
They know where they're about to
Well, we
land.
need to see if we can see if we see more birds.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. I'm about to move this chair and get down like y'all.
Just fucking hold it, bitch up, hold it right here. Just toss it back. Those didn't look like no woodies.
They look like wood ducks.
They did, but they was real small.
Mm-hmm.
They started to circle on the call, but
Yeah.
might not be wood there.
I can smell them.
This ain't gonna be a posted video if we don't shoot at anything.
Why? Failed duck hunt number 27. Oh, above us, above us.
Oh shit. Oh, call. Why'd you stand up?
I thought you were fucking around.
Yeah.
What you gonna do if they're in the woods?
Huh? I'm gonna wait till y'all stand up and I'm gonna be the last one to shoot. But I'll be the only one to shoot if they coming from this way.
You're gonna hit one, it's gonna just hit me in the back of the head. Ducks, 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 ducks. Oh, they're landing. I probably hit about 20 of them. Shot like 20 times. My gun just clicked on the first one.
My ears are.
I ain't got a plug in my door.
They're
Hey.
behind.
Oh no, it's that fucking swan.
Oh, I see it.
That thing took a shit right
Oh, you can?
You could.
there. Dude.
Dude, I just shot like 6 times. Oh, but he's coming back.
Where?
That big ass frame.
Whenever you said birds, that's what I'm over here looking at.
Bro, they was coming right in at us, bro.
We're gonna do something about you shooting fucking head already.
I don't want to start shooting the fence at him. There's that swan.
What do we mean?
Dude. How many times did y'all just shoot?
I ain't got no plug. I shot 8.
I shot all 3. I didn't never aim. I kind of just threw it up there and put it toward him.
Oh, fuck, I think.
Oh, yeah.
No, Bryson, what I'll try, I won't shoot when they're that way again.
Yeah, there's no fire in that bird if you were.
Both of them went down over there.
They were landing though. I don't think they got.
There's no way I didn't hit it. Yeah,
Dude, you shot 3 times?
I shot 8.
Twice? All I heard was bah, 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 bah.
I damn told me fucking
What?
He's 3.5 and let me know how it feels.
I can't hear you.
Take music.
I shot in Bryson's eardrum, bro.
Dude, I'm telling you, his gun was right here.
Oh, I've done that to Caleb too.
I done it too. No,
Oh,
no.
thank you. Shit, that might be no one shooting this damn 3.5, so I ain't coming out no more. Oh, you didn't hit one?
I'm gonna have to stand up when I see these birds again.
Dude, this bitch has got something up.
You let me know. Bryson, you let me know too, cause you're
Shell's got so much power that it keeps him over the hood.
Huh?
Look at this.
He just, what do you mean, why am I looking this way? You look that way.
Bird's coming that way.
I'm standing up this time, I got you.
Oh, I never like.
Bird, hey, yep, oh, 2, 4, 5. Oh, 2, right over the top of us. Oh, high. They're high. Nate!
Told you. Yeah. I think I just killed that one.
Yeah. Y'all both might have popped him because when I turned
I took my time on him. I did too.
8.
Right there in front of him. Kill his ass.
Yeah, I shot 6 times. Had 2 birds.
One time at that bird.
Hey, I put.
Dude, 8.
I think I hit that bird, did you?
Nah, he landed.
I think it did, but I'll give it to you. I don't care.
8 just flew to our right.
I just know y'all were looking at that bird fly or fall, and I was
Talking about this son bitch too. I was like, fuck that.
Dude, he's shooting slugs.
I saw that one going down, and I'm over here.
Oh, birds. Ha.
Fuck that.
That's crazy there.
No, look, no.
Dude. You shot 5 times. Dude, I thought he was, dude.
God damn.
Oh, nigga, I'm running out of shells.
Hey,
He said, fuck
pretty good
that.
at floating shells, dude. That's what I'm talking about prime time, right?
Oh shit. Oh shit. Where? Holy shit.
I am too. What?
Nathan, do you know where that one is?
Yeah. Oh my god, nigga. Turkey load's getting fired soon.
Oh. Yep, pop his ass.
No. Oh, wait.
Is that a Great Pyrenees dog? There, two birds. Shh, shh, stay still. Stop fucking around, guys.
That's just dude.
They're probably gonna come from
I
behind.
don't know how to do that shit. That's not funny.
To our left.
Those.
Nigga, the bitch has got so much power, it's kicking them back there.
God damn. Y'all are not.
Hit me with one.
Y'all are not finding the one you shot. Y'all shot.
I'll find that one.
Yeah, you'll
He's
find
right
it.
over
If we find that one,
there. First duck of the season.
You a goofball ass dude, bro.
Y'all got some shells like a boss.
I'll do it. Ashley's doing this.
Nathan, you just watch behind us.
My eyes are peeled.
Oh, there's one.
God, dog, nigga, got a shoulder. See, I always have a good time.
Yeah.
Yeah, let DNR be out there at that fucking gate.
It don't matter. We got.
Oh, birds. Oh, too far. Fuck.
Fuck that.
I gotta get ready, bro.
If this holds like that, imagine the other one. The big one.
That's where they're coming from.
Yeah, probably.
At what time can we shoot? 6:47. Run up in that thing.
We have three.
About 6:50.
We have two people here.
Send the other two.
Two people go over there.
Bryson Drive. Have somebody on the damn wheel. I want to find a feed hole bad.
You know how I bought a shot?
Yeah.
We were dumping across the road and they peppered the fuck out.
All you can hear is. You got fuck. I thought he was about to shoot.
Dude, there's a bunch of birds to our left. I don't know where they're landing at.
That's a field right here.
Bro, they're
That's our
landing
field.
there.
We could drive by and go fuck them up. I got the 40.
Imagine Miss Allen just let us have it.
I ain't never seen nothing like that there.
What?
You. Them birds were sky high. They said, fuck that.
The crazy thing is, he killed that one.
Yeah.
And then this one comes to land in the spread.
Why did y'all get that one?
We did.
I was watching you sitting there.
After you shot that one,
They call that the umbrella effect.
apparently me and Bryson both sat there and stared at that one.
I didn't.
It's just crazy. We sat there and watched it the whole time and decided to shoot at the same fucking time, so we couldn't tell each other.
We literally shot it.
Well, you shot first.
My bird is everybody's
But
bird.
I don't know. I wasn't turned around enough to see like who shot.
It's not in the water.
No, I think it landed right up in there somewhere.
I thought it was pretty close.
It was close.
Knowing that one damn bird is probably fucking filled its damn lungs up and went under the damn water.
Nah, luckily he'll be right there now.
There's no way it's not dead.
No, it's dead.
No, it's dead.
It died whenever it fucking got hit.
Yeah. It wasn't dead. It wouldn't have one wing out and one
If
wing
it weren't for the TikTok Todd Wee waiters,
Non-is later.
$100.
Hey, and they good too. I can move around and I can put my new sweatpants on underneath while I'm feeling good.
What was sponsored?
Mm-hmm. I had to make a TikTok. I had to make a TikTok with my toboggan in my neck. What?
Man gets on the camera and starts acting crazy.
For real.
Hey, I didn't, though. I messed that one up bad. I might get some clap.
Yeah, you got the clap.
I joined the Mile High Club.
Come on, bro.
What's that, a truck scene or something?
What time?
I guess we can clean it up.
7:12.
7 o'clock. On down 30 minutes. Feeling good.
Oh,
Small
water
good.
with it.
It's supposed to rain up until 9 o'clock now.
God, dog. We're gonna spend tired. The beavers. The blind's next. The blind is next on our hit list. We're gonna come back in about a week. Pallets gonna be gone. We're gonna be nothing but nails.
After you fucking told they were getting
Oh my God, Bryson. Why didn't you say something sooner?
I just noticed it.
I don't know.
Oh, there comes a fucking
What?
loaded McGann.
That's a mallet right there. No, don't.
What? We ain't got nothing else to do.
Nathan, stop.
God.
The second shot is gonna be the fucking turkey leg. If I fall in, I fall in.
How many bullets you got loaded up right now?
All 5, 8, something like that. Hey, we could pop a little afternoon hunt here too now.
I don't know.
What do you mean?
If it cools down, I'm down.
They're gonna fly regardless.
Yeah, but they won't be flying at like no early time.
We don't need to hunt during early. We can hunt out here at night. Caleb, tell him. We had a spotlight out there one time. Shooting light does not affect anything.
Yeah, only it regulates if it's legal or not. That's it.
Who cares?
Ain't nothing but a number.
That was not a bird.
Goose.
Yeah, that
It sound like one.
might be a geese.
Hit it, go.
Yeah, hit the goose call.
Oh, one time I was blowing the goose call and
They
then a bunch
fucking-
of
they
fucking wood ducks came in. Remember that?
Oh yeah.
Dude, you blow a goose call, they just spawn out of nowhere. You know, geese, they mate for life. They have one spouse their whole life. And
That's a swan.
no, it's Canadian geese too. Most of the time, if you kill one goose, the mate will come back and sit by his body. If you don't find it.
Let's see if I can yam it up.
Most of the time, it's like,
You gotta go like this. Oh, bro.
no reeds,
Look in
dirty. No reeds on.
Let's see if I can do it backwards.
That ain't bad.
If there was somebody trespassing in this hole, they'd be making fun of your ass. If somebody were like over there poaching. These boys got the land, they don't even know how to hunt this shit. Trespassing for life. Who's on decoy pickup duty?
Same person I
I guess the fucking decoy is staying out here like that.
I'm going.
Here, let me hold your phone. Let me hold your phone. Let me hold your phone.
It was at this moment that he knew.
All right.
He fucked up.
Go crank your truck up, bro.
I ain't
Give him the
got
key.
no heat. It's in the gas. It's in the gas thing.
Dude, I'm
Birds!
Bryson, your body will be warmed up here in a second.
Why
Why are you lying to him? Hey, we'll be back out there in a few minutes.
What do you mean? How are we gonna get everything now?
This is about to stay right here.
There's a bird out there somewhere.
Oh, that bird's going to die. There's no going to get that. Until I guess.
I feel so bad that
me.
I feel bad for him.
It's okay. Dang.
Damn, I wish I got that on video, bro. I turned around and he's me.
Hey, Bryson, you're a G for holding on to the gun like that ass. I seen the gun go in there. I said, "Oh shit." That's the first thing I said. The gun.
the gun.
Got mud in the damn barrel.
What y'all boys want to do?
I don't know what we can do.
I'm gonna have to bring another boat down here. So,
I think I can swim to that kayak.
yeah, you can
It's
do
not
that.
that cold, bro.
The water. You think the water is that cold?
Go
Hell
and, go ahead and touch it.
I don't think it's like that.
Well, I mean, going from like. Oh my God.
How did he fall though?
He went to grab.
He
the
must
damn
have been.
decoy.
he was taking. He wasn't even grabbing the decoy. He took the gun to like turn himself,
Yeah.
and then he was leaning this way.
Oh.
You can't lean in them things.
Yeah.
Like that, bro.
Nathan, here's what I'll do, bro.
He tried so hard.
No, I'm gonna bring the canoe down here. It's all right. I promise you.
You gonna find that bird?
Yeah, I'm gonna find that one over there.
I want to find that one over there.
Well, I mean, you may be honest. First of all, he said, "Why send the fat ass in the little kayak?"
Nathan's idea.
Love you, Bryson.
Y'all think we're gonna see any more birds?
I mean, with the orange ass kayak sitting in the middle of the pond. Not.
Well,
I just need a nice hot
We're
shower
now-
and PBR.
ow, shit. Just got in the truck. How's it going, Bryson? Bryson fell in the water, as you can see. Good lying. We might not make it out here, by the way. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. Tide we waiters, cuz.
You got your headlamp?
What you need that for?
It's gonna be dark.
I got it in that bag. Yeah, cuz I come prepared.
Red.
Where'd you put my gun?
Huh?
Oh, shit.
Thank you. Yeah, grab my shoes.
Right now on the way, we are gonna, I don't know what time it is. It's 5:06. I think literally the sun goes down in like 10 minutes, something like that. And weather's cooled down a whole lot more. Guns going on the back. Nathan's ahead of me. I had to take a piss. Birds were flying from that way this morning. So hopefully they're coming back straight directly ahead of us.
This go around, they'll be coming towards us.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was just telling the viewers at home. Look like an alligator over there, ain't it?
Huh? Yeah. Caleb's talking about going and finding that other damn bird.
I think we could have found it. It's been over around that bend.
Oh, I seen one fall back there. I thought
It would. So if the, I don't know how far that water goes back.
it stopped right there. Just like this right here. Maybe if I had to canoe back here with the damn mud motor, hell yeah, we could do here running flat.
5:11. Damn, did y'all end up going? Yep.
30 minutes after sunset.
Yeah, what time's sunset?
5:17.
No, it's not 30 minutes after sunset. It is sunset. Sun don't set till 7:18. That's sunrise. Sun's not even out. Wait, sun's already down.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, it was at 5:02. Oh shit. We're already starting out illegal.
I was up this morning. It's probably right after I left the house. I don't know what it was. I was craving a beer. I don't know what it was. Like my mouth was watering.
Stupid.
Hey, there's a different thing.
Yeah, I see him. I see him. He's coming straight to us. They're high. Okay.
Four.
4. 1, 2, 3. Jesus Christ. Damn. Shit, oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit. I got one bullet.
Damn. That shit was bad. Right here in front of my face.
Fuck.
That shit was bad. Two right here in front of my face. Fuck. Dude, we fucking suck. We might as well make a shooting YouTube channel.
Shooting. Shoot.
Oh my god, another turkey load.
What? That's bad, bro. I don't know where I'm aiming at. I have no idea.
Oh.
They're not. 1, 2, 3. Game warden's watching us, not even wanting to arrest us.
I feel bad for these boys as it is. Oh my god, what time? Oh shit, oh shit. Oh my god,
Oh shit, oh shit.
oh my god, nigga, right here.
Oh shit, shit.
God damn. I looked up. Hey, right here. Fuck.
I got one.
They're coming to land. No. You taking them? You taking them? Oh, shit.
Oh shit.
Oh, they're coming. He's coming.
No, you're lying.
He's coming. There's one by himself, right over the top of him.
Oh yeah.
Ready?
We better get ready. Hold on now. One now. Hold on now.
One.
Now. Get his ass.
Oh, I got one bullet. I missed.
It's okay, bro. Our guns just ain't working right today. I know. Oh, don't. Ah! Ah! It sounded like I just got shot in the back of the head. Irby Street Sporting Goods. Right here in front of our face, idiot.
Oh my god.
What's he doing?
Oh, he's landing. He's circling. He's coming back.
Oh my god. No, he's not.
Oh fuck.
They're
Oh.
closed. They're closed though. Oh my god, he's coming back.
Fuck it.
Fuck him up.
Well,
Successful hunt.
two birds
Two
down.
birds.
We'll let you see the one that we should find. And that'll be it until next weekend. I'm off for vacation and we should be doing nothing but getting some hunting done here. And we'll probably hunt North Carolina a few times, but we'll see you in the next one.